Sinag Sessions.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Sinag Sessions. Ako si Marlon.
I'm Yusuf.
I'm Kelvin.
And we are MYK.
It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka pa nilalamig. It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka pa nilalamig.
But if it's raining in Manila, hindi kita maririnig.
Nakahiga mag-isa, nanginginig.
So I'll be waiting in Manila kahit di ka na babalik.
Maulan ba sa inyo pag bumubuhos dito? Ba umainhin at baka hindi ko masasabayan ang iyong yapak sa pangiti at pag-iyak sa paglipad at pagbagsak ng araw-araw.
Sa pagpikit na lang kita matititigan sa mata, sa panaginip na magpapaligaw.
Kamusta ka na kahit wag nang sagutin? Di ba nawala ang kintab ng bituin? Sana ganun ka nga pa rin.
Cause it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Mahirap ba mag-isa nanginginig?
And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Pag wala ang mga tao,
madilim ba ang mundo?
may kulang ba sa inyo na naiwan dito? Aanin ang ulan sa paradiso. Sakaling madulas ay dati malapit ka, ngayon walang kahati ng init pag mawalan.
Sana naman tumigil na ang ulan. Kamusta ka na kahit wag nang sagutin? Di ba nawala ang kintab ng bituin? Sana ganun ka nga pa rin. Cause it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Mahirap ba mag-isa nanginginig?
And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Pag wala ang mga tao,
Madilim ba ang mundo?
Today, super excited kami na i-present sa inyo ang isang special episode with an incredible guest.
Makakasama natin ang isang super talented na maestro known for touching hearts here in Qatar at sa Pinas through his music.
Guys, a big round of applause for my extra Dexter Delara Tumang.
I've loved you only in my mind, but I know that there will come a time feeling this feeling I have inside. You're a hopeless romantic is what they say, falling in and out of love just like a play, memorizing each line. I still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating every second of the day. I dream of you in the most special ways. You're beside me all the time, all the time. I have loved you and I always will. Call it crazy, but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have for you inside. I'm a hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorize all the lines, and here I am, struggling for words. I still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special ways. You're beside me all the time, all the time, all the time, all the time, all the time. Maestro Dexter, sadyang napakahusay at napakagaling niyo po. Kami pong tatlo ni Marlon, Yusef at ako ay believe na believe po sa inyo. Isa lamang po yung tanong ko, so ano po yung inspirasyon niyo sa paggawa at pagsulat ng kanta?
Una-una, yung mga kantang, karamihan ng kantang sinulat ko ay based on my personal experience. Kasi yung mga ibang kanta talaga na ginawa ko, matagal ko na silang mga ginawa. At saka, karamihan sa kanila based on the love story of my life. Way back years ago. Yung mga recent naman, dahil lang sa alam mo, ang dami ng mga influence na makukuha natin sa social media, online, ang daming pag nakakarinig tayo o nakaka-encounter tayo ng mga terms at saka mga situations na napapanood natin na bigla ka na lang parang
Kakaroon ka ng inspirasyon.
Oo, parang tumatak sa isip at puso mo yun. Parang ang sarap gawa ng kanta nung ganong sitwasyon. So, ano talaga, base sa mga totoong buhay, ang aking mga sinusulat na kanta. Yung mga una-una, mga base sa personal kong karanasan, pero yung mga iba naman ay kahit hindi ko personal na karanasan, pero base pa rin sa mga nangyayari sa totoong buhay.
Please don't ask me, what am I thinking? It's about you. Please don't ask me, I never can see you. What can I do? My first impulse is to run to your side. My heart's not free, and so I must hide. Please don't ask me what I'm gonna say to you. I toss and turn, can't sleep at night. It's roaring in me. I go to bed, turn out the lights, but your face I see. It only hurts the more I pretend that we could ever be more than friends. Please don't ask me why I'm so in love with you.
why I'm so in love with you. No, please don't ask me. Hi, Sir Dex.
Hello.
Ay, mali. Maestro Dex, kailangan ko na pumasanay. Kasi parang nasanay po ako na ginajudge nyo po ako sa stage. So, ito yung first time na nag-usap tayo face-to-face. So, yun. Please allow me to ask you one question. Na, di ba, sanay po kayo sa working with group, like a choir, and solo artist. So, when it comes to arrangement of songs, ano po yung pagkakaiba for a group and for a solo artist?
Okay. Before I answer that, gusto kong sabihin na while I'm judging you in so many contests na sinalihan mo, hindi lang ikaw, I have become a fan of you and so many other singers dito sa Qatar. Daming magagaling na singers and you are one of the, masasabi ko na best and versatile singers dito sa, kasi your voice is quite flexible. Going back to your answer, yung pagdating sa choir kasi at saka sa solo artists, with the choir, we always make sure na may blending kasi choir nga eh. So we have the melody, we have the second voice, third voice, and fourth voice, and sometimes even more. So ako kasi gumagawa rin ako ng choral arrangement. Ang choral arrangement, yun yung bosesan ng choir, sabihin natin ganun. Kumbaga sa layman's term, bosesan. So, kapag may bosesan, hindi lamang siya basta lang bosesan, kundi how you execute yung blending na yon. So, parang ano nga siya eh. Kumbaga, if you have a 3-in-1 coffee, kapag ka hindi mo masyadong halo, hindi masarap yung lasa. Dapat haluin mo siya ng halong-halo para pag ininom mo, masarap. So, ganun din sa choir, kapag ka dapat yung blending talagang hinog na hinog yung pagka-blending niya para masarap pakinggan yung harmony. With the solo artist, ang style ko when I collab with a solo artist, kumbaga gusto kong malaman muna kung ano yung singing style niya.
Okay.
Halimbawa, R&B artist ba ito?
Opo.
Pop ba to? Or classical ba to? Operatic, ganon. So, kasi from there, tapos kung ano yung kantang ipe-perform namin, I will have some suggestions or some ideas na gusto kong ipagawa sa kanya at gusto kong ilabas niya yung version niya at the same time kung sa tingin ko may mas magandang magagawa may mas magandang idea ako na gusto kong ipagawa, not going away from his style.
Yes.
Ay kumbaga, ma-execute namin yung idea ko. So, ganun palagi. I always respect the style of the solo artist.
Grabe.
So, kung style mo yan, let's start from there. And I can add more. And I will make sure that I will always be adding more. Pag pinagsama natin yung idea ko, tsaka yung skill mo na nasa sayo na, and I'm sure it will have a very, very good product.
Just like what we did during rehearsals po. And truly, maestro po talaga kayo. So, marami po salamat. It's an honor.
Thank you.
Ikaw lamang ang tangi kong iniisip, ang lagi kong panaginip. Tayong dalawa ay laging nagmamahalan. Pangarap ko na kailan may di maglaho
mawalay sa'yo. Ikaw lamang ang buhay ko. Sana giliw pakinggan mo ang puso ko na mayroong sinasabi. Ikaw lamang ang tangi kong minamahal, ang lagi kong dinarasal. Sana'y habang buhay tayong magkasama. Ang puso ko'y ibibigay lamang sa'yo. Ito ang aking pangako mula ngayon hanggang magpakailan pa man. Ikaw lamang. Ikaw lamang ang buhay ko. Sana giliw pakinggan mo ang puso ko na mayroong sinasabi. Ikaw lamang ang tangi kong minamahal, ang lagi kong dinarasal. Sana'y habang buhay tayong magkasama. Ang puso ko'y ibibigay lamang sa'yo. Ito ang aking pangako mula ngayon hanggang magpakailan pa man. Ikaw lamang. Ikaw lamang.
Yes, Maestro Dex.
Hello.
Yes, we've heard about your impressive list of compositions. Now, I'm very interested. Can you share one of the stories behind your favorite pieces?
Halos lahat ng mga ginawa kong kanta ay mahal ko. Kumbaga para akong isang tatay na yung mga kanta ko ay parang mga anak ko. Bawat isa sa kanila may kanya-kanyang flavor, pero bawat isa sa kanila ginawa ko from the heart. And isa sa pinaka-paborito kong nagawa ko ay ang Salamat Po Inay sa Tagalog song, which is a song that is dedicated to all the mothers. Kung paano natin sila pasalamatan because they carried us for 9 months sa sinapupunan nila hanggang sa maisilang tayo, yung umpisa tayong maglakad, magsalita, nandun sila. Sa bawat yugto ng buhay natin, nandun sila. So, lyrically at saka melodically, I really like that song. Hindi naman sa pagmamayabang. And you can check it online sa Heartbeat YouTube page ko. Salamat Po Inay. And by the way, mabanggit ko lang, total, nandito yung musical arranger noon, si Master Ryan. Yun. ang ganda-ganda ng pagkakagawa niya ng areglo ng -1. So, kasi it adds to the expression ng kanta eh. Kapag ka maganda yung -1 mo, mas na-enhance yung pag-execute ng interpreter ng song. And yun nga, lahat talaga ng mga kanta ko, and that's one of my favorites, ay dito galing palagi. And by the way, hindi ako, ang style ko, I just make my compositions nang hindi ako nakikipagkompetensya sa iba. If there are some other composers out there, I'm happy for them. And I respect them also. Kumbaga, siguro magkakaiba kami ng genre. Baka yung sa kanila tunog banda, yung dito tunog iba rin. Ako more on more on pop, more on ballad, but usually mga senti songs, mga ganon, na mga love songs. And ayun nga, I'm not in competition with anybody else. That's the good thing. Kaya hindi ako bitter if somebody is famous, ganon. I'm happy for him, for them, or ganon. So I just make songs because that's my passion. And I think kapag bawat isa sa atin binigyan ng gift ni Lord, so kapag ginamit mo yan ng ginamit, it's one way of glorifying the giver of that talent, who is God. So ayun, so chill lang, walang bitterness, walang competition. Gawa ka lang, sumikat man yan o hindi, it's there. At least na fulfill mo yung desire mo from the bottom of your heart na gumawa lang. Yun. It's passion. Yun.
And Sir Maestro Dex, since I'm here already, I'd like to take this time to ask you, do you plan to actually give me a song? Dahil wala akong single. I've been in the industry for, let's say, about 10 years now.
Why not?
Why not?
Oh, and
it's Maestro Dex.
And
gusto nyo rin?
And maybe the Sinag Digital Media can be the producer.
Oh,
so I
why
can
not?
compose a song and then total may recording studio tayo, napakaganda, may musical arranger na magaling.
Right,
and may mga talents. Kumbaga, I'll be happy to do that, by the way. So hopefully
Nape-pressure si Maestro.
Hindi ko alam kung ano. I have some mga unpublished pa na unpublished songs, and I have some pending projects with some other artists na we are just trying to arrange our schedules. Pero why not, di ba?
Yeah, this is me knocking the door. I don't wait for the opportunity. I'm knocking somebody to give me a chance. Thank you so much, Maestro Dex.
You are the song playing so softly in my heart. I reach for you, you seem so near yet so far. I hope and I pray you'll be with me someday.
I know down inside you are mine and I'm your true love. Or am I dreaming?
How can I, each time I try to say goodbye, you are there, you look my way, I touch the sky.
Dahil dito sa Sinag Digital Media,
We shine brighter together.
What an amazing and soulful session through music with Maestro Dexter.
Don't forget to follow us on social media to catch all episodes of Sinag Sessions.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!
Sinag Sessions.